Okay, hi and welcome to another Ben Golding Guitar Masterclass. Okay, today we're going to have a look at the classic Jolene by Dolly Parton. Super easy version on the acoustic guitar like always. Had a load of requests for this one after the I Will Always Love You Dolly Parton, Whitney Houston classic as well. A lot of people asking for Jolene. This one's very straightforward, so as always it shouldn't give you any problems even if you are just starting out. Okay, for this one all we're going to need is 4 super easy chords, which are A minor, and the screenshots will come up for you now. Okay, so we need A minor, we also need a C, we also need a G, and we also need an E minor. Okay, so you might need to pause those if you really are just starting out and you need to learn them, but you might need to pause those ones and get them under your belt so you can change comfortably between them. But if you already know those comfortably, let's crack on and try the wonderful Jolene by Dolly Parton. Okay, also for this one we're going to play it open without any capo, but if you were doing the wonderful Dolly Parton version you would need a capo on the 4th fret to play along with Dolly, but we're just going to try a nice easy one in the open position without any capo. Okay, so let's just crack on. The verse and the chorus sections will come up on the screen, but without further ado let's just start off with a verse. And like I always say, you'll have to excuse the singing. I'm not a brilliant Dolly Parton impersonator, but I'll hum the tune so you can hear how the melody sits over the chord sequence. Okay, so get ready with your A minor and let's just crack on. So nice easy downstrokes on the A minor just to get ready, like that. Okay, and let's start with the verse now. So here we go. So for the verse, A minor and a C and then a G and then A minor, G and then E minor, A minor again, A minor and 2 C and then 2 G and then A minor, G and then E minor, A minor. Try that one again. A minor and C and then 2 G and then A minor, G and then E minor, A minor. Let's try chorus. A minor and C and G, A minor, G and then E minor and A minor. Let's try the chorus again. Da la and C and G, A minor, G and then E minor, A minor. Okay, let's try a verse again. Here we go. A minor and 2 C and then 2 G and then A minor, G and then E minor, A minor. Verse again. A minor and C and then 2 G and then A minor, G and then E minor, A minor. Let's give a chorus. Da, 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 G, A minor, G and then E minor, A minor. Chorus again. A minor and C and G, A minor, G and then E minor, A minor. Last time chorus. A minor and A and G, A minor, G and then E minor, A minor. Brilliant. Okay, so that is how simple it is, and don't forget the classic Dolly Parton version would have a capo on the 4th fret, but that was just a nice basic acoustic guitar version in the open position with no capo. Okay, give it a try, it'll sound great. Hopefully it's great for a different singer-songwriter vocalist. You'll probably practice the singing, you'll do a better Dolly Parton impersonation than me, but keep practicing and I'll see you soon for more super easy guitar songs on the acoustic guitar. All the best and thanks for watching.